Okay, so here we are at that rating schedule, all right? So what we're looking for is female sexual arousal disorder, all right? So we just go to Control F. We can just do arousal, right? I'm pretty sure, okay, there's 3 other instances of the word arousal in here. Female sexual arousal disorder, female sexual arousal disorder. Now, just like erectile dysfunction, it doesn't give a full explanation of the condition, all right? But what happens is when you get rated for this condition, you get that 0%, which is special monthly compensation, all right? So again, we just come to the rating schedule just to verify that female sexual arousal disorder is indeed a service-connected disability. All right, now that we see this, we'll just go back to finish out that statement, right? This is a secondary claim that we're filing secondary to our mental health condition. Let's go check out the statement. All right, and then here we see that 3-element statement, huh? Again, we just used the before you file guidebook. We took those answers, put them in the 3-element statement template, right? And then from there, this is what we end up with, the 3-element statement. This one, again, is a little unique because it's a secondary claim, right? With secondary, you're going to need that medical opinion of someone saying, yes, I believe this is secondary to that service-connected condition. So this one is important to speak with your doctor about, all right? But again, laid it out, simple, easy. All we do is copy and paste this, and we're going to take it and put it right on that 4138. Let's get to it.